Hey everyone, welcome back. And today it's time to take a look at one of my all-time favorite plugins and communities available for WordPress. And that is the CommentLuv plugin and the associated ComLuv community. Okay, now I've talked a little bit in other places and other videos about, how I use CommentLuv to drive traffic and things like that. But today I want to go through the actual setup. What's the mechanics of getting this set up, because it's a two-part process and most people tend to miss the second part. Okay, so let's start at our blog. The plugin is super straightforward, and when it comes to troubleshooting CommentLuv, the plugin is almost never the problem. So come into your dashboard, plugins, add new, type in CommentLuv, is L-U-V, search plugins. Detail or comment comes up first. Install now. Yes. Install. Now we activate. Now we do settings. Okay. Now one of the nice things about CommentLuv, down here, settings, CommentLuv, is that the settings actually work out of the box. Okay. Now there is some alternatives. You can get some different look to the buttons. You can do a little different wording. You can fiddle with this if you want. However, I don't touch this. This works just great, okay? Generally speaking, you don't need to mess with any of this. So just come down here, click update, and you're good to go. Okay, that is how you put the plugin on your blog. That's honestly all there is to it. Let's be real clear here though. Be real careful with this understanding. The plugin lets your visitors use CommentLuv to get a backlink when they visit your blog, okay? This is not the component that allows you to get a backlink when you visit other people's blog. For that, we have to go make a ComLuv network login or registration, okay? So this is the second part. And generally speaking, if you're having trouble getting CommentLuv to work on other people's blogs, it's your login account, okay, which is probably associated with your feed. But I have a post on my blog about troubleshooting CommentLuv, so don't worry about that. But let's come out to the ComLuv network, which is ComLuv.com. All right, so let's hit register URL, and it's going to prompt us to log in. And you most likely don't have a login account here already, so we need to create one. We're going to come to create new account. And we're going to create a username. Yes, we agree. And next. Okay, it tells me that that's my new user account and that it sent a link to my Gmail or to my mail account. So I'm going to log into my mail account. And here I have a link. Click it to open it. Click to activate. Okay, when we click the confirm link to come back and log in, instead of taking us to the dashboard where we were, it takes us to the main page where we were. It takes us to ComLuv.com's dashboard. Okay, and let me show you what happens if you log in here, because it's just not where you want to be. Okay, this is the CommentLuv dashboard, and if you're doing things like guest blogging, you're going to want to come fill this out. Okay, and you can get your affiliate link in here. You turn it on to yes and put your PayPal address in there, and it'll refresh when you update and give you your affiliate link. And that's for some of the paid things that are available on CommentLuv that you can recommend. And if anybody buys in, then you get a little kickback. It's kind of nice. But this isn't where you want to go to set up your blog. So we're going to come to ComLuv.com/member. And because you're already logged in, it won't prompt you to log in here, but if you wasn't, you'd log in here. And now you see your profile looks really sterile. There's nothing here. So you have all this stuff. We're going to click Edit Profile. And you type in a Twitter user ID. And you type in a bio. And you do want to fill this out. And click Save Changes. Okay, profile updated. Now, your main URL, Edit Site. You're going to click Edit Site. and you're going to put in, okay, now it comes up, site name, so fill in the name of your site. This may just be your name, it may be your company name, it may be your logo, fill in whatever it is. The site URL is there. By default on WordPress, if you've not set up FeedBurner, which I don't actually suggest people set up FeedBurner right away, your default feed is your domain name, http:// in this case richardbryant.com/feed. Okay, just /feed. Now, if you've set up FeedBurner, you're going to have a link that looks like feeds.feedburner.com/something/username. Okay, number of posts to return, set it to 10. Site description, fill this out. Type in, you can use some keywords here. You can use, things that make it easy to search for, but make sure it stays human readable, okay? It's important that it's human readable because this is things other people on the CommentLuv network will see. Select a category, and you put in up to 6 keywords here, selected by, or separated by commas. Okay, and click submit. But that's what's required to set up your ComLuv network profile. And that allows you, when you go to other people's blogs, I'm going to go to Jackie's blog, and you fill in your name. And I've got to remember that I need to put in this fake address that I just made. And okay, you've got to make sure that email address matches what's on your account, okay? And here, then, richardbryant.com, the email. Now, see, here's the CommentLuv button. You can see that it's engaged on this blog, that this blog is running the plugin. That tells me that the blog is running the plugin. As soon as I start to type in the text box, it's going to look for my blog's feed, and it's going to see if I have any recent posts. If you weren't registered with the ComLuv network, it would return 1 post. But because you're registered with the ComLuv network, if you have more than 1 post, it will return up to the number you set, which was 10. So I'm going to type, put some sample text in here. You see my first post for this blog was Lorem Ipsum, and there's this drop-down arrow. Now this sample blog only has 1 post, but generally this drop-down arrow would let you see more. Now this is useful because if you're on a blog that's perhaps about personal development, or perhaps there's something in the topic that relates to something you've blogged on, look for a post that's more relevant to what the author is talking about or to what the commenters are talking about, to leave that as a link. It'll be better click-through. Okay, so being registered has this benefit because you can get better click-through by having more links available. And that, once you post the sample. Okay, and here's another post where you can see that I've already submitted my post where, it comes up, it's been approved, it's no longer in moderation. And you can see that I got this free backlink to my main blog from the CommentLuv link. So now with CommentLuv, I get 2 links. I get the one to my website, which is generally on your name, but this blog is running keyword love as well. So I get this link, and then I get the CommentLuv link. This is a great way to build traffic. It's a great way to increase your SEO value. It's a free second backlink. It essentially doubles the results from the process of link building by visiting others' blogs. It allows you to build the community, allows you to build friends. You can travel and see the blogs of the people who are commenting on your site. All in all, just a fantastic plugin. And if you haven't got it installed, go out and get it set up now. Okay, and definitely be sure to go register with the ComLuv network to get set up there because that really benefits you overall. All right, guys, that's it for CommentLuv. Let me know what you think.